Hey there, and welcome to our Upkeep video series. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep, and today we're addressing a question that's been buzzing around. Does my facility really need computer maintenance management software? We'll be exploring the cost, benefits, and potential difficulties of implementing this software, providing you with a clear understanding of how it can impact your maintenance and operations teams. Now let's dive right into this. Technically, you can operate without computer maintenance management system software, but it sure does make things smoother and easier. Especially when you're dealing with large-scale maintenance activities, computer maintenance management software can be a game changer. You might be thinking, but isn't a computer maintenance management system software too costly? Yes, it's not exactly cheap, especially if it's not implemented well. But think about it this way. How much can we spend before something is seen as a waste? If you invest a certain amount in computer maintenance management system software, will you really see a return on that investment? The answer is yes. If implemented correctly, a computer maintenance management system software can save you money. This return on investment can come from a variety of places: reduced equipment downtime, improved schedule compliance, reliable equipment, and tracked maintenance costs, to name a few. So, while it might seem like a big expense up front, especially if you don't currently have a system in place, a computer maintenance management system can be hugely beneficial both financially and operationally in the long run. But isn't implementing computer maintenance management system software too difficult, you might ask? While this is a valid concern, no part of computer maintenance management system software implementation is truly too challenging. The difficulty often arises from a lack of planning and preparation. You might find it hard because you didn't create an action plan, you didn't start with implementing the computer maintenance management system software in one area first, and you didn't communicate with your team to get their buy-in. So what's the final verdict? No facility technically needs computer maintenance management system software, but most would greatly benefit from a well-planned computer maintenance management system implementation. It's time for organizations to ask themselves what they want their maintenance efforts to look like. Do you want them to be planned and scheduled? Or do you want to continue in reactive mode, constantly performing emergency maintenance? Remember, a computer maintenance management system won't fix all your problems immediately. It's not a magic wand, but it can gradually move your facility towards world-class preventive maintenance strategies, making your operations smoother, more efficient, and ultimately more profitable. And there you have it. We've covered the cost, benefits, and implementation of computer maintenance management system software. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. For more in-depth resources to help your maintenance and operations teams be more successful, head over to our website at upkeep.com. See you in our next video.